Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and showing you the new Vitamix One blender. I am so excited to try out this new perfect for one person blender and show you how it works. So we're going to be making a green juice today, see how it handles really tough, stringy, hard, frozen types of ingredients, and I can't wait to get started. So let's start with the unboxing. Notice it comes with a 2-year warranty. So something I'm noticing right off the bat as I see this, it comes with a 32-ounce jar. So that's the smallest jar that Vitamix makes for in terms of blending. That's not like the blend and go cups or the little blending bowls. So here is your base. Delicious, no chunks. Vitamix did it again.